Auntie, I've already told you, we don't accept transfer here. It's only cash or POS.
See, you cannot tell me that. If you don't accept transfer, you put it out there in your shop. How can you expect me to come buy some things and you're telling me you don't accept transfer?
You for ask question.
I for ask question. Are you listening to yourself? What kind of customer service is
Mommy, what happened now?
Can you imagine? I just walked in here to get some stuff and I'm trying to make a transfer. It's telling me they don't accept transfer. There is only cash or POS.
Well, no problem, eh? Let me make the payment for you.
You pay for me?
Yes, now, eh?
Thank you.
No problem at all, eh?
Sir, I forgot to get something. Let me go check out.
No problem, mommy, eh? Take everything you need, eh? Hey, mommy and more. Hey, sorry. Hey, queen and more.
Chief.
What type of plane is this?
Hey, oh yeah, too fast, eh? Pack everything. Look at the way it's looking at me.
Fast, eh?
Thank you very much, ma. Hope to see you next time.
Chief, thank you, eh?
Mommy. Mommy?
Chief.
He has not transferred my money to me, oh. We will handicap. She be see the only transfer you can do. I transfer my money now.